Hollow sphere is released from top of the inclined plane, and obviously it is a rough surface. As you can see, they're asking us to find minimum coefficient of friction. So there is a inclined plane of angle of inclination theta. So if solid sphere is released from this point, since inclined plane is not moving, so this point of contact is instantaneous axis of rotation, because it's undergoing pure rolling. Inclined plane is not moving, hence this point of contact which is present on the sphere is instantaneous axis of rotation. Now we have force mg sin theta component of mg along the incline, and we have normal reaction in this direction, and we have mg cos theta, and the friction force is acting up the incline F. So I'll apply torque about I over R here. So torque about IA over instantaneous axis of rotation, which is equal to, this is I over, so moment of inertia is about center of mass, it is 2 by 3 mr square, plus about I over, I am shifting it by using parallel axis theorem, into alpha. Now this is our pure rotation. About this instantaneous axis of rotation, it is a pure rotation, so with an angular acceleration alpha. So center of mass will have an acceleration r times of alpha, because it is at a distance of r from this instantaneous axis of rotation. So I'll write torque about I over is because of only mg sin theta. All other torques are becoming zero as they are passing through I over. Force due all torques due to other forces like normal, friction, mg cos theta, as they are passing through instantaneous axis of rotation, their torque is zero. So which is 5 mr by 3 into r alpha. As we have seen that A center of mass is equal to r alpha, since the distance of center of mass from instantaneous axis of rotation is r. So which is, I'll write A center of mass is 3g sine theta divided by 5. So once we got the value of acceleration, I will try to find the value of friction. Now how to find friction? By writing the translation equation. Along the incline we have two forces, mg sin theta down the incline and friction up the incline. So which is equal to mass into acceleration of center of mass, that is Newton's second law. Net force equal to mass into acceleration of center of mass. So from this you will get acceleration of, friction comes out to be 2 mg by 5. 2 mg sin theta divided by 5. So this is a static friction, and we know one thing, our always static friction should be less than or equal to mu times of normal reaction. So friction should be less than or equal to mu. I don't know the value of mu. Normal reaction in this case is mg cos theta. Now substituting the value of friction here, 2 mg sin theta divided by 5 less than or equal to mu times of mg cos theta. So 2 tan theta divided by 5 is less than mu. So mu should be greater than or equal to 2 tan theta divided by 5. Hence our mu minimum value is 2 tan theta divided by 5.